of our topic alkenes, and in this video we are going to cover various preparation method of alkenes. Now first of all, covering laboratory preparation method of alkenes. First preparation method is by dehydration of ethanol, that is ethyl alcohol. It is a type of elimination reaction in which hydrogen and OH part, that is H2O, is removed out from the ethanol molecule. Since in this reaction water is being removed out, that is why the reaction is known as dehydration reaction. In this reaction we have to take our substrate molecule, that is ethanol, and have to react that with dehydrating agent like concentrated H2SO4 or Al2O3, which is alumina. If we are taking concentrated H2SO4, that is sulfuric acid, as our dehydrating agent, in that case we have to maintain temperature around 170 degrees Celsius. And if we are taking alumina as our dehydrating agent, in that case we have to maintain temperature around 350 degrees Celsius. So upon reacting ethanol with dehydrating agent, water will be removed out and ethene, which is commonly known as ethylene, will be formed. In this reaction, it is important to learn the temperature range, because if the reaction is performed at low temperature, suppose in case of concentrated H2SO4 you are maintaining 140 degrees Celsius temperature, in that case, in place of ethene product, you will obtain ether as the product. So in place of ethene, you will obtain diethyl ether or ethoxyethane. So if you want to form only ethene as the main product, then in that case, you have to take concentrated H2SO4 at around 170 degrees Celsius or alumina at around 350 degrees Celsius. Now covering our second laboratory preparation method, which is dehydrohalogenation of haloalkane. It is also a type of elimination reaction in which hydrogen and halide part is being removed out from the reactant molecule, that is haloalkane, when it is reacted with alcoholic solution of potassium hydroxide at elevated temperature. So upon boiling haloalkane with alcoholic solution of potassium hydroxide, H part of haloalkane is removed out with OH part of KOH, forming 1 mole of H2O. Now, X, which is halide part of haloalkane, is removed with K part of potassium hydroxide, forming KX, that is potassium halide. So after removal of potassium halide part and water part, ethene is formed. Since in this reaction hydrogen and halide part is removed from haloalkane, that is why this reaction is called as dehydrohalogenation. Since in case of dehydrohalogenation reaction, there is removal of hydrogen and halide part from the substrate, that is haloalkane, That is why this reaction falls in the category of elimination reaction. Now covering proper example of dehydrohalogenation reaction, we are going to react bromoethane, which is commonly known as ethyl bromide, with alcoholic KOH solution. Upon boiling, H part of bromoethane is removed with OH part of potassium hydroxide forming water. Br part is removed with K part of KOH forming KBr, that is potassium bromide. Now we are left with 2 carbon atoms, 4 hydrogen atoms. So for satisfying the valency, carbon-carbon will form a double bond. So overall, ethene, potassium bromide and water are obtained as products. Now covering general preparation method of alkenes. Alkenes can be prepared by pyrolysis or cracking process, which is a type of dehydrogenation reaction. For the preparation of alkene by pyrolysis process, we have to heat up alkane at very high temperature in the presence of catalyst. It causes removal of hydrogen, that is why the reaction is known as dehydrogenation process. Since in this case at elevated temperature compound is decomposed, that is why the reaction is pyrolysis, since pyro means heat and lysis means decomposition. So for the preparation of ethene, we have to take ethane on reactant side, heat it up at 500 degrees Celsius temperature in the presence of SiO2 and Al2O3 catalyst. So after removal of hydrogen molecule, that is H2 from ethane, we will obtain our main product, that is ethene. Ethene is commonly known as ethylene. Its formula is C2H4. Thank you for watching this video. Please like the video, share it and subscribe to my channel.